Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Moving a Smartsheet to a workspace is a strategic action that enhances organization and collaboration within your team because, for one, workspaces often include folders and subfolders that allow you to categorize and organize Smartsheets more effectively. That means workspaces are designed for collaboration, so obviously moving sheets to our workspace ensures that team members have access to the sheets they need for their projects or tasks. Now, once you are here on the file, I want to move this to a specific workspace. And for you to be able to do that is you need to click on the home page. Now, you see these are going to be the workspaces that I've been working with. All right. For example, this one. Okay, so this. You can simply go to this one, right click, right, and open that for a new tab. What I wanted you to do is hover to the option that says browse. Okay. Now here, I wanted to this worksheet, this Smartsheet to move to a specific workspace. So the first thing that you need to do is click that. You see there's going to be an option drop down menu, click on it, and I want you to click save as new. Okay. Now in this case, I'm going to rename it as this one, and you can save it in the workspaces that you wanted to save to. For example, I'm going to save it to Deep Labs. All right. Yeah, you see there's a couple of options that you can play with. Number one is sharing options. You can check the box that you wanted and the automated workflow and alert options. Of course, you can include recipients and permission settings. Now for workflows that copy or move rows to other sheets, you can preserve destination, or you can put in the do not preserve destination and disable workflow. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is. You also have the option for the data and formatting options. You can unselect all of these, but I highly suggest you retain all of the information here because it's like duplicating a copy, but of course you're moving that to a specific workspace. Once you're happy with it, all you're going to do is click on save. And now basically you have moved a Smartsheet to a workspace. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.